Hi everyone. I had a question regarding the French barrette clips and how you take them apart to attach them to the back of the bows. So what I do is you open the barrette and you simply pull out the middle. At that point you are able to wrap your center tie around it, and then when you're ready to put the French barrette back together, you simply insert it in that side and into that side and close it back up, and you're ready to go. And I'll show you on this barrette too, it's not inside a bow. Attach it there and then pull it back and insert it there. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.